How to software update on Android. So if you want to update your software on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings, and it might be different on different Android phones. So in my case, I have an option of update right here, but if you don't find the update, then you can scroll down and you will have that update on your system or your account section, or you may also have it on about phone. So if you tap on about phone, you will have the software information. You can go with your software information, and under your software information, you will have your update. You can tap on update and you can update it. Or in my case, it will automatically update. But if you don't find the automatic update, then you can just simply go with your search, which is on the top right. And from your search here, you need to search for update. After searching here, you will have all of the options like security update, software update, or system update. So you just need to simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, you'll be able to have the update. In my case, I have already the latest version. So if you have any updates, you will have update option. You can tap on update and you'll be able to update your software. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.